In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop and resize a video in Wave for repurposing. First, head to your Wave.video project. Open your browser, sign in, and from your dashboard, choose the project you want to repurpose. Give the timeline a moment to load so all the tools are available. It helps to play a few seconds to confirm you're on the right version of the clip and that audio and visuals look as expected before you make changes. Next, crop the video to the part you want to repurpose. If you're focusing on a specific moment in time, use the trim handles on the timeline to isolate just the section you need. Drag the start handle to the point where the content truly begins, and the end handle to where you want it to stop. Play it back to make sure the edit feels clean and doesn't cut off a word or motion. If you're reframing the picture itself, use the crop tool to tighten the visible area. This is useful for removing dead space on the sides or bringing attention to a subject. Keep an eye on the edges of the frame so you don't accidentally crop out captions, logos, or important details. Once you're satisfied with the crop, go to resize. This is where you adapt your video to fit the format you're repurposing for. Different platforms favor different aspect ratios, so choose the canvas size that matches your destination, like widescreen for standard video players, vertical for stories and shorts, or square for certain feeds. Switching the canvas changes the shape of your overall frame, which is normal and expected. Now scale your video to the POV you want. Use the scale or zoom controls to enlarge or reduce the clip within the new canvas, and drag to reposition it so the subject sits where you want it. Aim to keep eyes and key visuals near the upper third for talking head videos, and center product shots when clarity matters. If your footage doesn't perfectly fit the canvas, decide whether to fill the frame by zooming slightly or to keep the full image with subtle letterboxing. Watch for soft edges or pixelation when scaling up. A modest zoom usually looks cleaner. Do a quick visual pass. Check that captions, graphics, or gestures aren't clipped and that the framing feels balanced. That's it. You went to your Wave project, cropped to the exact part you want to repurpose, resized the canvas for your target format, and scaled the video to the point of view that best highlights your content. You're done and ready to use your freshly repurposed clip wherever you need it.